Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking It Up with Ro. Today, before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification. What I'm going to bring to you is actually my first attempt at making a vegan mac and cheese. I wanted to try to get it to look as regular as possible. These are the ingredients that I've used. It will be linked in the description box below, so do take a look at it if you do want to attempt this recipe. So from here, it's basically going to be basic and right to it. right, guys, this is the finished product. I do want to let y'all know this tastes way better than what it actually looked. I was so amazed and surprised that I was actually able to make some vegan mac and cheese that came out tasting so much like my regular mac and cheese that I would make at home. So I will be trying this again, and you could pair it with whatever size that you want. I paired mine with salmon and asparagus. And again, guys, I do want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn that notification button on, and I will see you guys next time.